So what the quadratic equation does is it shows you where those roots are. It shows you where it's going to cross that x-axis, like in that picture we looked at a few minutes ago. So the three things that you need for this equation is A, B, and C. Those are the three things that you need. And you get those directly from your equation that you're given. So if you look at the general form of a quadratic equation, which we looked at the beginning of the year, it looks like this, where it's y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So do you see kind of the resemblance between number 6 and the general form of quadratic equation? Okay, so that's where you get your a, b, and c. So your a here is going to be 3. Your b will be 8, and what's your c going to be? Negative 6. Okay.
Do you want to write down the second equation?
This is just showing you where the A, B, and C comes from. So what you need to do is just plug these values in to the quadratic equation first before you solve. So go ahead and plug those in. This is about what it'll look like, or this is what it should look like. So now all you have to do is start cleaning it up. So what's something that we could easily do here? Multiply the 2 by the 3, okay? I could also work up here and start multiplying these out. Okay, so what's negative 4 times 3? Negative 12. And negative 12 times negative 6 is... So negative 12 times negative 6, 72. So if I want to rewrite this, I can say negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 70, or I guess it's plus 72 now since that 72 is positive, over 6. So all we did is started to clean it up a little bit. So negative 4 times 3 was negative 12. And then negative 12 times negative 6 was positive 72, which is why that's addition there. And then we multiplied 2 by 3 and got 6. Okay. 8 squared is 64. And 64 plus 72 is 136. Okay.